Hi everyone! It's Greta from Attention Insight. In today's video, we will look at the ways to increase viewers' attention on a YouTube thumbnail design. This time, we are using Crello, free graphic design software. Here we are going to edit YouTube thumbnail. I will find a template. My goal is for the heading Summit Trip to be more visible. I will add another background on top and will reduce the opacity of both, so there's more contrast between the background and the foreground. I will change the shadow color behind the lady from white to black. This should also help the element stand out more. Then, I will make the joint object smaller and move it to the left, so there's more space for the heading in the picture. I will slightly adjust the position, font, text size and color of the remaining elements. More contrasting colors around the heading and bigger letters will naturally draw viewers' attention to the desired area. I will download PNG version of the file. On the Attention Insight app, I will upload both original and edited versions of the design. Let's analyze the original version first. The clarity score is 82%. Let's test separate elements to find out the percentage of attention. The word summer gets 17%, while the word trip gets 10%, and the element with the girl gets 69%. Now, let's analyze the edited version of the design and see if the performance of each element has changed for the better. The clarity score is 83%, which is 1% higher than the original version. Again, I will select areas of interest on the same objects. The element with the girl gets 40%, the word summer is also 40%, and the word trip gets 14%. I will select Create New Comparison and upload both designs. Here we can see that the edited version has higher overall results. Even though the attention of the element with the girl decreased, the word summer increased 23% and the word trip was raised 4%. The heading in the design is now more visible, and so I'm happy to say that our goal was reached. Thank you for watching and see you in my next videos.